This app used to immediately delete items without even asking us if we are sure or not. To solve this problem, I created a helper function named delete confirmation. In order to have a starting code, I asked ChatGPT to write me a message box in pyqt 5 asking if the user is sure he wants to delete something or not. Then I copied the code like a pro and modified it in a way I want. I changed the function's name into isConfirmed in order to indicate that this function is going to either return true or false. This needs confirmation function is actually a decorator. Any function decorating with this will ask user if he's sure before being run actually. See how this delete user method is decorated with our needs confirmation decorator. When I tried to test it for the first time, I faced an error like always. The problem was actually the self parameter. Since this isConfirm is no longer a method, we don't need it anymore. I tried to test it again and I faced another error again. The problem was actually the extra arguments being sent to our method. I tried to handle them using *args function. Surprisingly, the problem wasn't solved yet. I searched for the bug over and over again, and finally I figured out that I was getting the wrong guy and passing that *args to a wrong method. I had to pass it to our delete user method, not load the table method, which is so normal among programmers. And then everything was working perfectly.